Welcome to my lesson for adding functions in specific cases. This is the specific cases we're talking about is where the input is given. So our first example is a specific case where x equals 3. I have two functions, f of x equals 2x minus 6, and h of x equals negative 3x plus 8. And we're going to test them or evaluate them at a specific point. This is how it's written. We read it this way: f of 3 plus h of 3 equals something. Now for this case, we plug in the value first before we do the combining. And so we're going to replace the x here with a 3 and replace a 3 inside of this x2. So we'll go ahead and do that. So I've got 2 times 3 minus 6, and then we'll have the operation that we will apply. Then we go ahead and take the second function. Let's go ahead and do parentheses to help keep these straight. So do negative 3 times 3 plus 8. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6, minus 6. That gives us 0. And then negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, plus 8 gives us negative 1. So the answer is negative 1. Okay, there's another way to express adding functions. Up to this point, we've expressed adding functions like this, where we have f of x plus h of x. You may also see it written like this, and we read it this way: f plus h of x. These are equivalent statements. They just show a different way of approaching the problem, and either one may be used to get the same result. There are different situations that fit better, as you will find out. That sometimes it's better to plug in the value first and then solve it. Other times it's a lot easier to solve the functions first and then plug in the value. Either way, you'll get the same answer. Now let's see how we can do this. So we take our first example again. This time we're going to perform the operation first and then plug in the input. So once again, this is written f plus h of 3. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead first and combine the functions and then do the 3. So we'll do like we've done before on the previous lesson. And we apply the operation here. So we will, of course, be doing other operations as we get into this later on. Okay, this is an addition problem here, so we're going to combine like terms. This gives us negative x. Combining these terms gives us a positive 2. Now we're going to evaluate this at 3. So this is the function f plus 2 of x, but now we're going to do it with 3. So we just replace the x now with a 3. So I'll do negative 3 plus 2, which gives the answer negative 1. And as you may remember, the answer we had before was also negative 1. And this should give you enough understanding of what to or how to apply. This will help you out for the rest of the stuff that you're doing for this assignment. So good luck to you.